Justin with Texas Magnolia Home, and on my channel I do DIY projects, home decor hauls, and home renovation updates on our own personal fixer-upper here in South Texas. Now on Wednesday, I released my top 5 favorite videos of 2017, and since it is the start of a new year, I thought why not also do my top 5 favorite home decor YouTubers that I follow. Now some of these people are bigger than the others, but I think that their content is great and must have people to follow. I love them individually for different reasons, and this is going to be a list and not in a chronological order, so I just think all these guys are great to follow, so make sure you want to check out their channels. Alright, let's get into this video. Alright, so the first YouTuber that I want to talk about is Christina with The DIY Momma. Now, I found her channel because I was looking at different like renovation type videos, and she renovated this camper. Now this camper is absolutely beautiful. Her and her husband had bought it, and I want to say it was like a late 90s model camper, and you have to go check out her YouTube channel. I'm sure she has a playlist on it, and you can just watch the transformation of this camper. I would live in that camper. It is absolutely gorgeous what she did to it, and she just was showing how you can take something that needs, you know, a lot of work, put a little bit of effort, a little bit of time, a little bit of muscle into it, and minimum cost and materials, and turn it into something beautiful. She lives in, I think it's called Alberta, Canada, and her home is gorgeous. She's also working on this project with her husband, building her parents a beautiful lake home. She is definitely a channel you'll want to check out. Now the next friend that I want to mention is Emily with the Momma from Scratch, and I'm talking about this girl is so talented. She is a stay-at-home mom with 2 beautiful kids, and so what she started doing in her spare time is creating content here on YouTube like myself. Now she is the queen of dollar store hacks. Some of her videos, she can make just pretty much basic items into these beautiful pieces for your home. Her home decor is beautiful. Her Instagram is beautiful. She is another great YouTuber that you'll make sure you want to follow. And the next YouTuber I want to talk about is my friend Rachel with the Frugal Farmhouse. Now I owe everything to Rachel because she found my channel in the very beginning when I really didn't have that many followers or any subscribers, and she helped me get to where I am today, and I owe her for all of that. But her YouTube channel is based on kind of like vintage picking and home decorating and decorating on a budget. Her and her husband and her 2 adorable dogs, they live in what is, I think, considered a Cape Cod style house from what I can tell from her videos. And she does like a lot of hauls, a lot of DIY projects. She's very handy, great YouTuber to follow, and check out Rachel at the Frugal Farmhouse. Now the next YouTuber to make sure to follow, if you don't already follow her, is Jen with Craft-O-Manic. Oh my goodness. This woman can craft like no other in the way she can cluster and decorate items and put them together with like a farmhouse flair, but she also loves color. She lives in Las Vegas. Her home is absolutely gorgeous. She also does a lot of Instagramming. Make sure to follow her on Instagram. Her Insta stories, I watch them all the time. They're full of, you know, DIYs, transformation stuff, her family, cooking. She just does it all. She is definitely a YouTuber that you will want to follow. And although I want to mention so many more other YouTubers, I don't want to do a video that is extremely long. I can do this in a part 2 if you would like me to, but the last YouTuber that I'm going to mention is my friend Jillian with Pare Family Vlogs. Now, I'm telling you, this woman knows how to layer and stack and just create these beautiful displays out of true vintage pieces. She's just so talented. Like, her mind works so great with putting a whole bunch of vintage pieces together. She does a lot of videos in decorating. She does haul videos. She also has an obsession with Disney, so sometimes she'll do like Disney vlogs because they go a few times a year. Make sure to check her out, her channel at Pare Family Vlogs. I promise you guys, if you love farmhouse decor and you like vintage decor, you have to follow her. Plus her personality is so funny. She is definitely one to watch. Alright guys, that's about it. Let me know in the comments below who your favorite home decor YouTuber is. Let me know if you watch any of the people that I mentioned to follow, and if you were surprised by any of them. I love their channels. I would love to hear what you think about their channels, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys!